Can you accept a boy like me, who's a bit peculiar? Can you interpret the actions I make every time you pop up? I never get tired of having some meaningful moment. Apparently we're more like a child who loves to play around. As far as one knows, we're a lot of load, where emotions bottled up for quite too long, I want to change your last name with my last name. We could be husband and wife if you concord to be mine. There is no accident we were bound to run into. Come home with me and live with me. There is no accident where we're bound to run into. Come home with me and live with me. There is no accident where we're bound to run into. Come home with me and live with me. Can you accept a boy like me, who's a bit peculiar? Can you interpret the actions I make every time you pop up? I never get tired of having some meaningful moment. Apparently we're more like a child who loves to play around. As far as one knows, we're a lot of load, where emotions bottled up for quite too long, I want to change your last name with my last name. We could be husband and wife if you concord to be mine. There is no accident we were bound to run into. Come on with me and live with me.